welcome you in the economics class. In the previous class, we had a study about the national income accounting. Under this, we had seen the definition of national income accounting. Then we had seen some basic concepts of national income accounting. Today in this class, we will study about circular flow of income in a simple economy. First of all, we will go through the sentence or meaning of simple economy. A simple economy is closed economy in which there is no government or external trade or savings. What the sentence is telling? Sentence is telling a simple economy is closed economy in which there is no government. Closed economy means there will be no government. Now, what's the meaning of no government? Meaning of no government means whatever the rules and regulation will be takes place, it will be only by the household sectors or maybe the firm sectors. There is no interferences of the government. Even there is no external trade or savings. Here the external trade will also not take place or saving will also not done by the firms or as well as households. So now a simple two-sector model economy is based on the following assumptions. It means this circular flow of income is based on some assumptions. We will go through one by one. First, there are only two sectors in the economy. What are those sectors? There are household sectors and firms, or we can say that producers. Then households are the owners of factors of productions and firms buy these from households. So by the sentence it's very clear, households are the owners of the factor of production. What are the factor of production? As you know that factor of productions are the land, labor, capital and organizations. Some more basic assumptions are there. Households receive income by selling the factor services and spend their entire income on consumption. There is no savings. Fourth, they are telling firms sell their entire produce to the households. There are no inventories. It means whatever the firms produce commodities, they will sell to the household sectors. Now, these all the things we can easily understand with the help of the diagram. Now see, in the diagram you can understand easily two sectors are there. One is firms and another is households. So here this is the diagram of circular flow of income in a simple economy. So in this class we had a study about the circular flow of income in a simple economy. In the next class we'll go through the different concepts. Thank you.